trying to start assembling the Nash pretty seriously lately, and part of that is getting all the unfinished, unrestored parts restored so they can go onto the car. So what you are looking at is the trunk props. So the 1941 Nash convertible had 2 of these. From what I understand, the sedans only had 1. They go on either side of the trunk and they prop it up. So what we did, or what I did, is this morning, I sandblasted them, and then I acid treated them with stage A, stage B, water with baking soda, and that's basically just to stabilize them for right now. Brad, our sheet metal guy, is looking into cadmium plating, like replacement cadmium plating. They don't really do cadmium anymore, so there's replacements for it. And we are gonna set up a little plating station, and we're gonna start plating some of these parts.
As you see, we've been cleaning on the fender. Went through all the metals and really cleaned it up. After everything's been done, it's been sitting for a while because we have not had any luck finding the wheel wells. We're trying to match up a couple other people that we can get a copy to make the cover for the fender well. All the inside's been cleaned really well and gone back over. All the outside I'm going over again. If you want to, you can see the other ones hanging in the paint booth. I'm getting ready to spray both of them in epoxy, and then they can sit until we get the other piece made for the fender skirt. It has a wheel cover over the fender. All right, that's about it.